Welcome to Tbilisi, the heart of Georgia, a city where east meets west. Today we're going on a walking tour of Tbilisi's old town, exploring its rich past, unique landmarks, and the legends that shaped this beautiful city. I booked this walking tour using Guru Walks, and I've mentioned the link in the video description. We're starting a journey at the Metekhi Church Yard, right beside the statue of King Vakhtang Gorgasali, the legendary founder of Tbilisi. The Metekhi Church is perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the Kura River. This 13th century church is not only a religious site but also a symbol of resilience for the Georgian people. The view from here gives you a great perspective of both the old and new Tbilisi. After a short 10-minute walk, we reached Rike Park, a lush, scenic public space located near the iconic Peace Bridge. Here you can stroll along the riverbank, enjoy a relaxing boat ride, take a cable car ride, or even try a hot air balloon ride for a unique view. From Rike Park, we hop on the cable car to reach the Mother of Georgia statue. The ride costs 1 lari and offers breathtaking aerial views of the city. The statue itself is deeply symbolic, holding a bowl of wine in one hand to greet friends and a sword in the other to defend against enemies. It's a powerful representation of Georgian hospitality and strength. Next, we head down to the historic sulfur bath district. Tbilisi's sulfur baths date back to the 5th century when King Vakhtang Gorgasali discovered the natural hot springs while hunting. This is where the city gets its name, Tbilisi, which means warm place. Over time, the bathhouses built around these springs became an essential part of the city's identity and culture. Next, we walk towards the Tamada statue, representing the traditional Georgian toastmaster. The Tamada is responsible for leading the feast and offering toasts during a supra, the Georgian feast. The Tamada is often seen as a person of wisdom, wit, and respect who guides the flow of conversation and ensures the feast is both joyous and meaningful. Next, we visit the Sioni Cathedral. It is a historic Georgian Orthodox cathedral located in the heart of Tbilisi's old town. It was built in the 6th and 7th centuries but has undergone several reconstructions over the years due to various invasions and natural disasters. Visitors can also see the famous cross of Saint Nino, the woman who brought Christianity to Georgia. Next, we visit the Maidan Bazaar, which is an underground shopping area just under the square. This market offers a wide selection of souvenirs, antiques, handmade artifacts, Georgian wine, and other products. We end our tour at the famous clock tower located beside the Gabriace Puppet Theatre. This leaning, whimsical tower looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. If we are lucky, we might catch the hourly puppet show that appears from the tiny window above. And that brings us to the end of our walking tour through the enchanting old town of Tbilisi. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.